Hello, this is Mr. Klein. I'm going to show you how to log into WebAssign. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to webassign.net. You don't have to have all this login stuff here afterwards. But if you go to webassign.net, that is just this lovely website here. And you will, don't worry about the class key. I already have you in the class, but you need to click on login. And since you already have a username from previous semester, you're going to type it into the username. So if you do not remember your username, then you need to send me a message on TL Campus or on Twitter, and I will send it back to you. Probably TL Campus, since it's a little bit less public. Your institution is always going to be twinlakes.in, and then your password, the first time you log in, is going to be password. I had to change all your passwords from the first semester. That way, this time they will work. Once you log in and then you go to your settings, you can change your password. So when you log in, click the red button, log in. You're going to come to a screen that looks like this, and it's going to say Advanced Math College Credit. And you're going to have to choose Continue My Trial Period. We do have an access code, but WebAssign actually has to transfer that since you transferred instructors. So you're going to click on Continue My Trial Period. Hit Continue. And once you get, whoops, let me do that again. Once you do that, you should notice a few things here. Here is your homework assignment. Communication, we won't really use that, or your grades. However, here, there'll typically be some announcements that I will send out to you. We'll be slowly moving away from TL Campus and just to WebAssign only. If you want to change your options, you can always go to My Options, and this is where you can change your password. So you may want to get rid of just password and change that. The other important thing you might want to do is go to your notifications, and the reason I tell you to do this is because you may want some email notifications anytime before an assignment's due. You can click on whenever, a day, 12 hours, 6 hours, whatever. And then I would also click on everything over here, because what's going to happen is you'll be using this Ask Your Teacher message, or you might send me a private message or extension request, and you're going to want to know when I answer it. So if you click on those, once those are answered, then that will send you a message to your email. You'll know that I have answered. So I'll get rid of that. So let's first look at your assignment here, 3.1, which is quadratic functions and models. So when you pull that up, you see you have 10 questions. Gives you a little description of what you're going to be doing, and then you have some instructions. So I know some of you are hesitant about the online homework. Don't worry, it's not that bad. What you're going to, because a couple of nice things are, you do have 5 opportunities to answer each question. When you do bookwork, you only have 1 opportunity to see if you get it right or wrong. In this case, it'll tell you after each time whether you got it right or you got it incorrect. So if I go through here and I mark all these questions, and then I hit submit, there'll be a submit button down here once you start selecting and submit answer. So once you do that, it'll grade it, tell you if you're right or wrong. Now if you get stuck on a problem, the other real nice thing about WebAssign is there's this Ask Your Teacher button. And if you click on this Ask Your Teacher button, you can send me a message on the problem that you have. So if you have a question, you can just say this. Your question may look something like this. And then you hit send. It's going to send me an email. I can send you a message, and I can respond rather quickly to you. So I might respond to you in the same problem. You are correct. And then I'll just send that back to you. So that's a couple nice features about WebAssign. We'll use it more throughout the semester. When I return, we'll find out even more. So I hope this helped you get started, and I look forward to seeing you soon.